Hi, I thought I'd do a little video of part of my favourite hobby. I hold an advanced license, amateur radio license, and I've been a licensed radio amateur since the mid 1980s. And a key part of my interest within the hobby is repeaters and building repeaters. And you're looking at a repeater at the moment, which is the SVXLINK All-Star FM repeater. A repeater basically has a receiver, which is this radio here, a controller, and the transmitter. Basically, the receive signal comes in here. It goes through the computer system, and then instantly gets rebroadcasted and transmitted out on the transmitter. So with this little radio here, which is running 1 watt, I can sit in my armchair and talk to the world, and it'll be 1 watt into this radio. The transmitter will be transmitting at 15 watts, so immediately I've got 15 times the power. And then the antenna for this is on the roof, and to control the antenna, to control the two radios, because the receiver and the transmitter shares the same aerial, we have to use a duplexer, which is this device here. And you see the connections at the back, and they go down here. The reason for a repeater really...
Juliet, Mike, repeater. Talk group 53573.
That's just given its ident, and someone's just connected to the repeater via a network. And the reason for a repeater is that on VHF and UHF frequencies, the transmitted signal and received signal normally is line of sight. The radio waves are ground wave propagated. So if there's big buildings or hills in the way, it could block a signal. So generally, these repeaters will be on top of a high building or on top of a hill to give greater range. Mine is at sea level because I don't live anywhere high, but it serves the general area. So this is an analog repeater, which is internet linked to the SVXLINK network, and I could get global communications all around the world, plus obviously in the UK, which is quite good. Coming over to this side, you can't see it too well. I have two other repeaters. The top one is my home-built repeater, which is a digital voice repeater. And the bottom one is also a digital voice repeater. These are MMDVM repeaters, but they're not in use at the moment because I'm using the analog repeater, which is down here. And to be honest with you, I'm favouring analog over digital anyway, so I should probably stick with this. The little green light is the interface unit, which I built. It's a controller. It's controlled by the Raspberry Pi computer. And if you haven't seen a Raspberry Pi before, I can't get the lid off. But if you haven't seen a Raspberry Pi before, here we go. It's a small computer board. There you go. Quite powerful. And that is controlling the system. Okay, so anyway, that's my hobby. That's what I enjoy doing. So I'll say 7.3s for now. And 7.3s, by the way, is amateur radio speak for goodbye, ta-ta, cheerio. So until later, have a great day.